Hello everyone, welcome to today's video on Raj Yoga planets. We all know that certain planetary combinations create Raj Yoga. Raj Yoga is something that generally gives lot of material welfare, material benefits to the native. However, for certain Rashis, certain Lagnas, one planet is considered as a Raj Yoga planet. Okay. Raj Yoga is due to a combination of planets or to a placement of a particular planet. But a Raj Yoga planet is a planet that is applicable for few Rashis, few Lagna. Here we are talking about the planet. Irrespective of where it is placed, how it is placed, the Raj Yoga planet will definitely give good results to the extent possible. If it is well placed, it will give superlative benefits. If it is not well placed, it will not give bad results, but will try to give good results to you. Such planets are known as Raj Yoga planets. How are Raj Yoga planets formed? Suppose if a planet owns a Kendra, a quadrant, and a trine, which is a Kona, right? If a planet owns, let's say, fifth and 10th house in a horoscope, right? It owns a quadrant or a kendra, and it owns a kona or a trine, right? This is a kendra house. Such a planet is known as a Raja Yoga planet. Okay, as I said, it is not applicable for all Rashis, all Lagnas. It is applicable only for very few Rashis and Lagnas. In fact, it is applicable only for 4 Rashis. Okay. When I say Rashi, I am also referring to Lagna because you will analyze a horoscope both from the perspective of Rashi as well as Lagna, right? Rashi, as you are aware, refers to the house where moon is placed, and ascendant is your rising sign. Okay. Let's take Cancer or Kataka. Okay, as I said, it is applicable both for Rashi as well as Lagna. Okay, you could be a Cancer moon or a Cancer Lagna, whatever I am talking is applicable. If you look at Kataka, the 5th house and the 10th house are ruled by Mars, right? So Mars rules a Kendra as well as a Kona, a quadrant as well as a trine. That means Mars is a Raj Yoga planet. Okay. By nature, Mars is a malefic. That means it is a bad planet, right? However, for Cancer, we should not consider Mars as a malefic. Instead, we should consider Mars as a benefic. Okay. Similarly, for Simha Rashi or Simha Lagna, the 4th and 9th house are ruled by Mars, right? So Mars becomes a yoga, Raj Yoga planet for Leo Rashi or Leo Lagna people, right? So Mars Dasha will generally prove to be highly beneficial to Leo and Cancer people, right? If Mars Dasha comes at the right age, then it is considered extremely good. Since Mars is a Raj Yoga planet, for Cancer and Leo, the problem or the issue of Mars dosha or Manglik is not applicable. Please keep this in mind. What are the other Rashis for which this Raja Yoga planet concept is applicable? So they are Libra and Taurus. Okay, because for Libra, Saturn rules 4th and 5th house. Okay, let me put a tick mark now. A cross is negative because we are talking about a highly positive thing. Okay, so similarly, in the case of Taurus, 9th and 10th is ruled by Saturn. Okay, So Saturn becomes a Raj Yoga planet both for Taurus as well as Libra. So generally speaking, Taurus and Libra can expect a reasonably good Saturn Dasha compared to all other Rashis. Saturn is a malefic planet. Okay. So the exception we are giving for Mars in the case of Leo and Cancer is not provided to Saturn. What is the exception we are providing? For Leo and Cancer, we are not considering Mars as a malefic. Instead, we are considering it as a benefic. Okay. So that kind of exception is not provided to Saturn in the case of Taurus and Libra. Saturn is still considered as a malefic planet. Okay, Saturn Dasha will be challenging, right? However, compared to all other Rashi, Saturn Dasha will be relatively better off. Okay, even for people who have a very good Saturn Dasha, right? Irrespective of the Rashis, I'm telling, even for people who have very good Saturn Dasha will give troubles, right? The good things will be interspersed with significant troubles. That is how Saturn is, right? So for Taurus and Libra, Saturn Dasha will be relatively better off compared to all the other Rashis, right? I'm not saying milk and honey will flow through one's life, uh, during the Dasha of Saturn for Libra and uh, Taurus, right? That's not what I'm saying. It will be relatively better off. How much it is better off, we have to see the complete horoscope.